Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can sell investments on the Albert app. In order to do so, here we are at albert.com, and according to their homepage, Albert is the all-in-one money app. You can budget, save, spend, and invest all in one incredibly powerful app, and you can click on the link there to get started. Here we have just a bit further down the investing section we could take a look at, so we'll go ahead and click on that there. And you can invest in stocks, ETFs, and portfolios managed by Albert. Set up auto investing or trade on your own, and we can click here to learn more. Investing with Albert allows you to invest in stocks, ETFs, and portfolios managed by Albert. Auto invest with smart money or make your own trades, and we can click here to get started. And then from there, you're going to have to sign up and log in to get going from there. But let's go ahead and ask Cider AI what it has to say. Cider is a fantastic extension for your Chrome browser where you can ask questions of the top AI models. And according to Cider AI, to sell investments on the Albert app, follow these steps. Open the Albert app and log into your account. Navigate to the investments tab. Usually there's a dedicated section for your investments or portfolio. Select the investment you want to sell. Tap on it to view the details. Look for a button or link that says sell or trade. Specify how much of the investment you want to cash out. Confirm the details, include any fees or minimums. Confirm and submit your order. Your sale will typically settle depending on the type of investment. Stock sales might take a couple of days to process. Note that processes can vary slightly depending on app updates or the specific investment type. If you encounter issues or need detailed guidance, Albert's customer support or help center can provide tailored assistance. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in taking advantage of Cider AI, take a look at the link in the description. There you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our top AI tool recommendations, including Cider AI. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.